Hey guys, welcome back to DeFi Passive Income. I hope you guys are doing good. And today we are going to take a look over Baked Cats. It is another BNB miner on Binance Smart Chain. So they have launched this miner recently, and as you can see, total BUSD staked is 49,500. So let's quickly go through over their features. They have successfully launched, and it's an anti-bot system, and they are offering up to 15% daily returns, which is a lot higher. Generally, we see 8%, 6 to 8% daily returns, but in this one, it is 15%. And there is a 10% fee, 2.5% daily hire bonus, 12 hours compound timer, and 4 hours withdraw cooldown. And if you do not claim your rewards, then after 36 hours, your rewards accumulation will be cut off. So first of all, you will have to approve your BUSD. Suppose if you are committing 100 BUSD, you will have to approve your 100 BUSD first. After that, you will deposit your 100 BUSD and you will bake cats. So 100 BUSD will get you 4,394 baked cats at the time of making this video, and your daily returns would be 15 BUSD. So the 100 BUSD which you will commit over here, this will be our sunk cost, which means you cannot withdraw it as it is. The only way you can get this back is through the daily returns. So by now we all know how these miner works. You compound 6 days a week and take your rewards on the 7th day. Now after depositing your BUSD over here, it will start generating your daily returns in the form of BUSD token. And these rewards will be generated for maximum of 36 hours. After 36 hours, they will not produce any rewards. And at that period, you will either have to claim your reward or rebake them into cats. So this is the basics of their miner. Now let's have a look over their white paper. So these are the various features that they are offering. I will leave all the links down in the description box below. I am not going to go through all of this, but please do read them yourselves and do your own research. So currently this is their fees. There is 60% feedback tax which can be provided by compounding 10 times. To ensure sustainability and longevity of the project, and as an enhancement from the previous similar miner game, the Baked Cats team has implemented a feature that would encourage to continuously compound before taking profit. Users should compound 10 times before they can withdraw without paying 60% feedback tax. So if you claim your rewards daily, then you will have to pay a hefty 60% claim tax. But if you compound 10 times, then after that you will not have to pay 60% tax. So should a farmer decide not to compound or hire more cats using his earnings and continuously withdraw, farmer will be charged with a 60% feedback tax. And there is also a 9.99% tax on all deposit and withdrawals broken down into. This is the 6:1 strategy which we were talking about earlier in the video. We recommend the tried and tested method. Compound for 6 days and withdraw once a week. In these 6 days, it is suggested that you compound your earnings 2 times per day. This way you can receive the initial deposit in 6 to 8 weeks. Okay guys, so this is the miner. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. So that's it for today's video guys. I hope you have enjoyed the content. If yes, then please do hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more future videos like this.